In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Afterpay on Ticketmaster. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As of today, it is possible for you to use Afterpay on Ticketmaster. You will be able to acquire tickets for any event available on Ticketmaster and pay using Afterpay. However, there is a big disclaimer that I have to make. As you can see, I went ahead and I added some tickets in the US website for Ticketmaster, and when I proceeded to checkout, there is no option to pay with Afterpay. Basically, as of today, using Afterpay on Ticketmaster is only available in Australia. I know this is unfortunate because I expect a lot of people who are watching this to be located within the United States, but as it stands today, Afterpay is not available as a payment method on the United States. If you want to pay for your Ticketmaster order with Afterpay, you can only do so if you are located on Australia. So with that warning out of the way, as you can see here, you do have the option or the alternative to use Klarna instead, which is essentially the same idea, pay in 4 interest-free payments, but if you don't want to bother registering for another service, then unfortunately it is going to remain impossible. So I'm going to close down the US website and I'm going to showcase this on the Australian page. When you proceed to checkout, you will be able to set up a payment method, and under the second or third option, you will be able to choose Pay Later with Afterpay. So you can see all of the payments listed here. And afterwards, you just have to include your billing address. So first name, last name, address, city, state, and then postcode. Finally, your mobile number, and then choose the option to use Afterpay. So as long as you include all of these details, you will be redirected to the Afterpay page where you can sign into your account to finish making this order on Ticketmaster. And like I said, it is unfortunate that it is not available in the US, but as it stands today, you will be able to use it if you are located in Australia. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Afterpay on Ticketmaster. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.